what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you folks through the process of using the app for uploading the term assignment. So this will allow you to finish your term assignment on the weekend and put it here on the BCIT network from your home. That way you don't have to come in and hand in your term assignment by being here on site, which isn't very exciting. So what you need to do first of all is you need to go download the app called Winscp. It's freeware and it's a very safe download. You don't have to worry about any adware or anything that isn't benign being part of it. So here's Winscp, and it looks like a little padlock with a blue and green arrow coming out of it. So you simply go to the download link, you grab it, and you install it. It's a tiny little program. It's only 9 megs for the installer. Tiny. So let's go open up Winscp. All right, so here is the Winscp interface. And so what it does is it connects you to the BCIT network. So here you are. So what happens when you first log in is that it shows you your share in and share out directories, just like the ones that we see on the network here when you folks are here at the school. So what you are going to do is you're going to navigate to the share out folder and then down to BLDG, wherever it is here, BLDG, there it is. And then 2805. And then, that's my problem, I'm in the share out folder. I need to be in the share in folder. So BLDG 2805, term project. So once you have Winscp opened, you don't want it full screen. So here I'm connected to the BCIT network, so I'm just going to make sure that Winscp is only part of my screen. All right, now the next thing that you have to do is open up a copy of File Explorer. How come it's not in this menu? It's usually in this menu. There it is, File Explorer. Okay. All right, so what we want to do is have these two windows sized so that they're kind of occupying the same space on your monitor. If you have 2 monitors, this is super easy. You can just drag it from one monitor to the other. Okay, so once you've got the term project folder open in Winscp, what you're going to do is you're going to go in and find your term project and just drag and drop it across. Super easy, just like this. See, I just dragged and dropped it into the Winscp window, and now it's going to upload into the term project folder. So once it's done and the green bar has gone all the way across, you'll be able to visually confirm that your file has landed on the BCIT network. And there it is. So just confirm that the file size matches the one on your computer, just so you know that the whole thing made it up and there was no errors in the file transfer. That's how you're going to submit your term project. So as Henry was saying, I've let you use Dropbox or Google Drive before, but often the sharing process would get messed up. So I wouldn't get notification that you'd sent it, or maybe you guys had forgotten to use the sharing settings in Google Drive or whatever, and it was just a mess. So if you guys use this app, there's no muss, there's no fuss, and it just makes the whole process of dealing with your term project much easier. So, like Henry says, get it to me on the weekend, so that's after the after the last class next week, after the exam, and upload your term project.
I'm sorry, over here, I read this that they are not able to show which one to install.
There's only, okay, on the first page of the notes,
When you go